If you're seeing this video, then what I have to say might shock you. I'm filming this on Halloween, but it really only matters when you actually see the video, because that's when the clock will start ticking. Okay, so I feel like this is like a 24-hour thing, and whatever I tell you is going to start transpiring within 24 hours. So this is going to be something where you already kind of feel like something's about to happen, and it's not going to be like, you know, magic. It's not going to be like you wake up and it's like everything is said and done. But within 24 hours, the energy is going to start coming in. The ball is going to start rolling. And you probably kind of feel this already. Like you feel like there's a new beginning coming for you. And you just have like a feeling like something really good's about to happen. I kind of feel like I've been feeling like that for a while. Back in the summer, I felt like something really good was coming this winter. So let's see what we're going to pick up on. Okay, so the Two of Swords. So whenever I'm looking at this, nice and spooky for Halloween, right? I'm getting that we don't really know what's next. And we're kind of like, you know, stagnant. We're in stagnant energy. You might even feel like, I feel like I should be doing something, but like, I don't know what to do. And I want to let you know that you are doing exactly what you're supposed to be doing, which is nothing. You are supposed to be in this stagnant energy right now. I almost feel like it's like the calm before the storm, and Spirit's getting you ready for like this huge thing that's about to happen. So this is almost like the resting period. It's like you're in your little incubator right now, right? Like if you were to like look down at a little egg in an incubator, they're not going to be doing much, right? They're just going to be sitting there. And you know, you're preparing to hatch and become a chicken, right? But that little egg might be like, I'm just sitting here doing nothing, right? So it's kind of like that, okay? Okay, when I'm looking at this card, this is the Four of Pentacles, but when I'm looking at this, I keep getting like Kundalini awakening, okay? And so I feel like something's going to happen with your chakras, like energy is going to start really moving through it, okay? For some of you guys, this could be like your spiritual awakening, and you're going to get a lot of insight. Things are going to start really happening. But it was all part of the plan. Like, something's going to happen to spark this, and it's like you're just in that incubation period before it really releases. And what this is going to bring each of you is, you know, it's going to be different, but it's going to be something big nonetheless. You're going to do something very big with this energy. Okay. I'm seeing the Page of Swords. So whenever I'm seeing this, I feel like we're ready. We're ready to get the ideas flowing, okay? So within 24 hours, that's probably what will start happening, is that someone will present an idea to you, or you'll come up with an idea, or you'll be reading something online and be like, that makes me think of this, or something to do with thoughts and words, okay? That's what's going to be triggered within 24 hours of seeing this video. And look at this card also. I like how that full moon's in it, because we just had a full moon this weekend. So the energy's there for it. It's perfect. We also had an eclipse. Now look at this one. Temperance. Okay? Temperance. And look again, there's a full moon. There's a full moon in this card. Temperance is all about... Oh, I'm getting a lot of Sagittarius vibes. Excuse me. I just feel like angels are working with you, and your spirit guides are ready, and when the time is right, they're going to be pouring this energy into you, and it's just going to be like, you're going to just feel it. Like, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, like, you know what? I almost feel like I'm getting the analogy of like, a jug, like a clay jug, and it's like somebody is crafting this clay jug to make it so beautiful and to last a long time and to just be this beautiful work of art, and it's drying, right? Like the jug is not ready to use right now. It's drying, and if you do it too soon, it's going to ruin the jug. And Spirit is kind of saying like, that's how it is right now. It's like you're the jug, and it's like it was all about timing. Like they were waiting for the perfect moment when you were ready to pour all that water into you, and then they're going to use you and like fill everyone's cup up. Like it's going to be amazing. What's coming for you is going to be amazing. I'm getting some big like spiritual work vibes. So you could be someone who is already spiritual, but spirituality works in many different ways. You don't have to be doing like tarot readings, or you don't have to be doing like literally spiritual work, but there's spirit in everything. People who are teachers, That's spiritual work. You're working with children. Children are so spiritual. They're just open, right? And you're going to get intuitive guidance on how to help them. Or maybe you work with animals. Animals are super spiritual. They're so open, okay? And maybe you will have this like connection with them. People who work in healthcare. Some of those people are so open and intuitive, and they just know what to do. They just know what people need. It's things like that. Spirit is everywhere. You could be doing spiritual work and not even realize that that's quite what you're doing. There are people who are atheists and don't even realize that they're doing spiritual work because energy